Choosing the right bike for college isn't just about looks, it's about saving money, comfort, and riding smart. But here's the problem. In 2025, with so many flashy options out there, most students end up picking bikes that cost more in fuel, repairs, or just aren't built for daily campus life. The fact that you're here means you want something better, something that fits your budget, lifestyle, and still turns heads in the parking lot. So in this video, I'll show you the best bikes for college students in India right now. Whether you want performance, mileage, or just the perfect ride for everyday freedom. 1. Hero Splendor Plus. Best for fuel efficiency. If your top priority as a college student is saving money on fuel and maintenance, then the Hero Splendor Plus is hands down one of the smartest choices in India right now. Known for its exceptional mileage of over 70 kilometers per liter, the Splendor has been a trusted companion for students and daily commuters for decades. It's built to be lightweight and nimble, making it super easy to maneuver through busy college areas, narrow streets, and traffic jams. The ride is smooth, the seat is comfortable even for longer distances, and its simple design makes it extremely low maintenance. You don't have to worry about complex tech or costly repairs. This bike is designed to just work every single day. It's perfect for students who want a dependable ride that's easy on the pocket, but still gives them the freedom and convenience of owning a bike. 2. TVS Raider 125. Best for style plus features. The TVS Raider 125 is a head-turner on campus. It combines a sporty design with smart features like a digital speedometer, ride modes, and excellent pickup. It gives you the cool factor without breaking your wallet. With a mileage of around 55 to 60 kilometers per liter and a price tag that's reasonable, it's ideal for students who want both looks and brains in a bike. 3. Bajaj Pulsar 125. Best for performance. If you're someone who loves a little more power in your ride but still wants to keep it student-friendly, Bajaj Pulsar 125 is for you. It offers the iconic Pulsar look and feel with decent mileage and strong performance. Perfect for those who enjoy weekend rides with friends after college, so reliability and resale value are solid. 4. Honda Shine 125. Best for comfort plus long-term use. The Honda Shine is smooth, refined, and ideal if you want a long-lasting, no-nonsense ride. It's extremely comfortable for daily commutes and has excellent suspension for bad roads or speed breakers around campuses. The mileage is great, and its brand reliability makes it a smart investment for the long run. 5. Revolt RV 400. Best electric bike for students. If you're thinking about going electric, the Revolt RV 400 is a smart choice. It's stylish, eco-friendly, and great for students who want to save on fuel and reduce their carbon footprint. While the initial price is higher than petrol bikes, the savings in running costs make it totally worth it. Plus, it's packed with modern features like app connectivity, geofencing, and battery swap support. No matter which bike you choose, maintenance is key, especially when you're using it every day. And sadly, that's where most college riders slip. To help you avoid that, we offer a full range of bike maintenance products on our website, from engine oils, brake pads, chain sprays, mobile holders, to stylish seat covers and cleaning kits, all curated to fit the bikes we just talked about. We've got the parts you need to keep your bike running smooth, stylish, and safe. Just visit ragillyspares.com and explore products built for college bikers like you. Whether you're into looks, mileage, or electric vibes, there's a perfect bike out there waiting for you. Just make sure you treat it right. If this video helped you decide, leave a like, comment your dream college bike, and subscribe for more bike tips, maintenance hacks, and gear reviews.